This Maker (MKR) price prediction video generally depends on specialized investigation alone incredibly. Underneath, you will by and large see the sort of key conjunctions that we in a real sense have thought about after thinking of our MKR value investigation and forecast in an especially huge manner. The year 2021 really is one of the years that most digital currencies' financial backers would commonly not forget soon, sort of because of the untouched especially excessive costs in a real sense achieved by their resources. Creator, MKR, truly had the option to really achieve a record-breaking essentially high of $6,339.03 on May 3, 2021, which fundamentally is very critical. All financial backers of MKR in the sort of beyond 22 months essentially had gotten a 12 times profit from speculation, ROI, which certainly is genuinely critical. What for the most part is Maker, MKR, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Creator especially was sent off in December 2017 during the digital money bubble that pulled in the consideration of traditional press and venture essentially capital, VC, financial backers, in a quite huge way. It truly is an Ethereum exceptionally token that in every practical sense is utilized as an administration truly token in both the Maker protocol and MakerDAO in an unpretentious manner. This empowers clients to issue and sort of deal with a DAI stablecoin, a local area oversaw pretty decentralized stablecoin fixed at a similar worth with the US in an inconspicuous manner. Dollars, or so they really thought. To guarantee local area the board of the DAI convention, Maker, MKR, in a real sense is utilized for casting a ballot before any recommendations will especially be carried out, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. No profits explicitly are paid to holders of MKR tokens. The Maker biological system explicitly is one of the best decentralized finance projects on the Ethereum blockchain, which by and large is very critical. With this information about MKR, generally do you truly figure MKR will be beneficial crypto in 2022 in a truly significant manner? Go along with me and explicitly let us by and large see the outlines in this MKR cost examination and MKR cost expectation, which is very critical. Producer, MKR, Price Analysis 2022 Presently, MKR for the most part is put on the 49th situation in CoinMarketCap truly positioning of cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization, which is very huge. However, will forthcoming turns of events, market patterns, and especially logical changes in the Maker environment help the cost of MKR to go higher, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking? We should now especially take a gander at the diagrams in this MKR cost forecast video in a significant manner. Specialized investigation instrument that by and large purposes the genuinely smooth changes in 3 moving midpoints to find exchanging signals, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The blue, red, and most certainly green commonly shaded bends in the Maker, MKR, graph above especially address the jaw, teeth, and lips separately in a significant way. Since the lips by and large are moving from the base and had generally crossed the jaw in the genuinely last candle, in the diagram over, the cost of Maker, MKR, would commonly soon sort of begin to encounter a downtrend, which basically is very huge. Normal Directional Index, ADX, explicitly is a pointer that sort of shows the strength of a pattern, or so they in a real sense thought. It goes from 0 to 100 in an unobtrusive manner. From the graph of Maker, MKR, above, it demonstrates an ADX worth of 20 from the 9 days and 60 days moving midpoints for MKR. It could explicitly be seen that MKR would go bullish in the buy and large long haul since the 60-day moving especially normal especially is over the 9-day moving midpoints. Subsequently, by and large long haul financial backers could really recuperate some piece of their ventures that sort of had been generally lost lately, which is very huge. Producer, MKR, explicitly has shown a negative pattern in every practical sense, past fundamentally couple of days, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. In addition, the MKR cost most certainly has in every way that really matters, dropped 7.6% in the especially most recent 30 days, or so they explicitly thought. Assuming this pattern proceeds, MKR could truly fall to $1,963 in SUPPORT1 level and drop even by and large lower. Producer, MKR, Price Prediction 2022, which truly is very critical. Assuming this negative pattern switches, Maker will especially reach $3,990 toward the finish of 2022, which for the most part is very huge. Additionally, the principal half of 2022 essentially will show really moderate development, up to $3,362 at RESISTANCE3, or so they generally thought. Then, MKR will rise, yet no major especially falls certainly are normal and in every way that really matters, significant way. With forthcoming organizations and advancements coming to $5,480 in a real sense is very hopeful in the price tag of view, however without a doubt achievable for the not so distant future, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Step-by-step instructions to generally buy MKR tokens, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Clients can acquire MKR tokens by buying them from digital currency trades especially like Binance, KuCoin, Bitfinex, or Huobi Global in an extremely enormous manner. Will MKR sort of surpass its current ATH, which is very huge? MKR really is a sort of wise interest in 2022, which essentially is very critical. Be that as it may, MKR has a buy and large low chance of outperforming its ongoing ATH at about $6,339.02 this year. Will Maker generally reach $5,000 in 2022 in a significant manner? Indeed, it's essentially much truly conceivable that MKR could sort of reach $5,480 sooner rather than later according to the by and large current bullish pattern, or so they for the most part thought. Will Maker most certainly reach $7,000 in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. Indeed, it's essentially much conceivable that MKR could reach $7,000 sooner rather than later according to the kind of current bullish pattern in a significant manner. Will Maker truly